Ulrika Jonsson has shed light on the highs and lows of her Celebs Go Dating stint. After the season debut on Monday evening, the TV legend, 54, could be seen navigating her hunt for romance with the help of experts Anna Williamson and Brunson, who she revealed have helped her learn about her errors. Writing in her The Sun column, she said, "It's painful and sometimes hilarious. I shocked myself sometimes. Belching and being the owner of a potty mouth aren't, apparently, seen as assets in the dating world." Ulrika joins a slew of stars including singer and rapper Abs Love, Tally starlet Chloe Brockett, Married at First Sight's Nikita Jasmine and Jessica Power, and reality star Marty McKenna looking for love on the hit show. Over the past 4 episodes, she has been seen going on dates, with her first match giving her a measly 6 points as a rating for the date. On the match, she said, "I found myself sitting opposite a lanky 58-year-old whose love of himself was endless and who knew more about me than Wikipedia. I found him dull, verbose and a bit creepy, and got quite agitated by the end of the date." While her search for love has thus far been fruitless, she confessed Anna and Paul have been invaluable in teaching her painful lessons. She said, "It's painful and sometimes hilarious. I shocked myself sometimes. Belching and being the owner of a potty mouth aren't, apparently, seen as assets in dating. I also discovered quite what a people pleaser I can be, and that is going to take some unlearning. Anna and Paul helped me along the road to understanding myself better and, above all, to improve my relationship with myself. They were my champions and I learned a lot during my time with them. It was like free counseling." Earlier this week, Ulrika has revealed she enjoyed wild and electrifying times during an intense period of online dating last year. She revealed she experienced months filled with passion and filth, which she has now called her sexpedition. Ulrika said that while the time was vibrant and spontaneous, she still failed to find Mr. Right, leading her to sign up to the current series of Celebs Go Dating. Ulrika has been single since her 2019 divorce from third husband Brian Monet after the pair parted ways after 10 years together. They have one son, Malcolm, 13. Her first marriage to John Turnbull was in 1990 and they have a son, Cameron, 27. The presenter's second marriage in 2003 was to Lance Gerard Wright, who, at the time, was a contestant on her TV show Mr. Right. They share a daughter, Martha, 17. The mother of 4 also has a daughter, Beau, 21, with ex-boyfriend hotelier, Marcus Kempen, who she separated from in 2000 after 2 years.